A few people asked more about this shell for the dash pad shell. You can see where it has some cracks, but as you all know, anybody in this hobby, these is an exceptionally presentable condition considering it's as old as it is. And but I already got the clock in and the instrument panel. It's neat how the sunlight lights up the back. Hey, isn't that kind of cool? So all I have to do is finish the wiring and put the lower dash in, and then I'm sourcing depending on the car, it can be a Cadillac there, or it can be cruise control, Cadillac's like symbol, and of course the electric lights there, ignition goes here. But overall, I'm very happy with the 60 dash pad. For my purposes right now, to get it running and driving, I think it looks perfectly fine. And I also want to show something else I've been up to. I no longer have a 80s Brougham or even a 92 Brougham where these stopped. These were roughly, some say 87, but I've seen them on 86s. So 86, 87 with this style wire to 92. And the Royal Seals were available on Roadmaster Buicks until 1996. But on Cadillac Broughams, it's until 1992. This is an excellent original set of true spokes with Royal Seal Unirail tires, not reproduction in this case. If you look closely, one of these tires is brand new. It has the green stripe still on it from the factory. It even has the hairs from the factory. This is it here. There's a green stripe and the hairs. Like, this is a brand new tire, but it's, you know, almost 30 years old, so I can't use it for a regular car, but I use them for shows. So when I have an 80s Brougham, if I go to a car show, it's not very far, I put them on the car, but I don't drive any distance with these old tires. But they have the authentic look, which I love. And luckily, you can still buy the Royal Seals reproduction, identical to this. Only thing is, they don't have the Royal Seal markings because that is trademarked. And a lot of people, you know, say, oh, you gotta put Vogues on them, mustard and mayonnaise. Well, yeah, that's true, but Vogues are incorrect for Cadillacs. That's not the right tire. However, if you want to put the wrong tire in your car, go ahead. It's totally your business. But just for the sake of the record, Royal Seal tires made by Unirail Corporation are the only correct tire for Cadillac Broughams from 86 to 92. And Roadmaster Buicks from 91 wagons to 92 and 96 sedans, and wagons to 96 as well. And if you can find a set of these true spokes, good for you, because over $5,000 to replace them. So, how much for your true spokes? Never going to happen, because no one's going to give me what they're worth. And I don't have $5,000 to blow on wheels anymore. I got kids and a wife to deal with. So, and now that it'd be more than that now because of this tariff stuff. So that was $5,000 to my door, American, by the way, from True Spoke Corporation in the States. Now with the tariffs, you add 25% to that. So no one would give me what these tires are worth, these wheels are worth, because they're irreplaceable now because of the tariffs. So either way, this is a wonderful thing. So I have these custom mounted to get off my shop floor. So now I have my welder friend make custom mounts. So now they're hanging safely off the floor, all into studs. And now I can work on my Cadillacs and have these nice high and dry and not going to get scratched or dirty. So thank you all for watching. It's been a great day, and I'll see you all down the road.